So now we're gonna verify and open this relay that we found to be defective on the last video. Verifying that it's reading open. It should read about 5 ohms, but it's open. Nothing, it's infinity. It should read somewhere like that, like this, see? But it's not, it's reading open. So now I'm going to open this up. Should to just pull it here, like so. Push this down. There you go. And see, there should be a whole circle right here, a whole circle. This piece fell off. See? It's broken. And the wires here, between here and here, you should have continuity, which we don't. It should be like this, but we're not. That's because this piece is missing or is broken. And if you can see very well, it's all burned up in here and it's all cracked through here. So I have to replace this entire relay. I wish I could just replace the wheel, but I cannot replace the wheel because it comes on into pieces, see? It's all broken up now, and the last piece is inside. So basically the way it works is it goes through here, and you got some resistance here, about 5 or 10 ohms, which is enough for a starting relay, and then it goes through both of these terminals and makes the motor start. But since this is open, the motor will never start. It will just hum and start for a few seconds with the starter capacitor, but then it stops. So thank you for watching. Once I bring another one of these, I'm going to install it into my freezer, and I'll post the video up and running. Thank you. Have a great day.